Right, this is going to be a video room tour of Grand Suite 8018 on Vision of the Seas out of Fort Lauderdale. And again, this is a Grand Suite. Room 8018. It's a beautiful room. Just taking a quick look around the room. It's just a lot of space. It's a beautiful room. So let's start here. After you come in, on the back of the door, you have all the safety information and where you're located. And just so everybody can see where we're located, we are on deck 8. Our muster station is number 6 on deck 5. Lots of like a bar area here. Of course, we got our waters, and this is with the new policy of getting the waters now, we get no cookies, no fruit tray. Got a complimentary bottle of champagne, which was nice, and another bottle of water. So it's a nice little bar area to have. Lots of drawers to put things. We will be putting lots of stuff. This is a 10-night cruise, so we'll be unpacking and using this area here quite a bit. Over here, you have your cooler. Again, it's not a refrigerator. It is a cooler. But there is lots of space, and it does keep things cool. If you happen to bring some sodas or your water you want to cool, or you'd like to have a bottle of wine cooled, it will stay cool. And over here, lots of closet space. Oh my goodness. Look how much closet space is here. I show this because in a lot of rooms, sometimes there isn't a lot of closet space, or sometimes it's a walk-in closet, but this is a lot of closet space for everybody to put their stuff. A couple of robes you get. Over here, another closet. Of course, the life vest. But a whole nother area to put stuff. Again, more drawers. And if we come over here this way, when you come in the door on the right-hand side is the bathroom. Just want to point out real quick, when you see the first step here, it's a very big step here. I can point out to you the floor. So you want to step up. You don't want to trip over that. Get stepped up. You can see we've got a nice full bathtub and shower here. And you do have the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So that's nice. And again, it is a step up into the bathtub. But that is very nice to have. Lots of space here in the bathroom for 2 people, double sinks. And lots of space, lots of drawers. You can unpack and move your stuff. It's a really nice sized bathroom. I'm definitely going to enjoy that. Come back out here into the room. And again, the bar area. We come in here. Again, this is, I don't know if this was all necessary to have this little column and stuff, but kind of cuts off the room a little bit. But you do have places to put things, which is always good. But the column does kind of cut the room off a little bit. Over here we got sofa, table, 2 chairs, and a little ottoman, another little glass table. It's a great place to sit and relax. Over here in this area you can see we have the coffee maker, the Lavazza. Coffee maker, you just put the little packets of coffee in there. Of course, the TV. And again, coming back over the room. Again, it's a beautiful room. And over here, on the right-hand side of the room, panning over, you have the area by the bedside. A little vanity area for everybody to sit. A little table with chairs. You can do, if you have your computer, hook your computer up, sit down and do some work, or put your makeup on. Sit here, and there's, again, lots of space here. There's lots of drawers. You have your 2 plugs here, and these are the 2 closest plugs I see. You have more drawers. You can pull some of these drawers out, and you have your hair dryer here. More drawers over here. Up in here you do have your safe, and it's big enough to put your valuables in there, keep locked up. You have the bedside phone, and this is going to be a phone that I don't think has any type of ports to it, so it's not like being able to plug in your phone to charge. Beautiful king size bed, nice and big for you. Just lots of room here in the suite. And then look how big this balcony is for your room. We'll go out here. Before I open up the door, we are still in port. I want to show you we have 2 lounge chairs right there, and then you come on this side and you have your table and chairs where you can sit and have morning coffee or sit out here and relax. It is a little bit loud right now as we haven't left. We'll open it. And again, you always just turn the handle, and then you come out here. Once again, we are in Fort Lauderdale. We're still getting luggage on. We have the Harmony of the Seas, and that is, I think they are in Port 18. Look over here, Liberty of the Seas. Liberty of the Seas is in 19, I believe. We are currently in 25, which is actually the Celebrity Terminal. But that's the one that we're coming out of today. Looking down into Fort Lauderdale. And that's the Liberty of the Seas. They're getting ready to leave soon. Again, that was the Harmony of the Seas. We're actually going to reposition down to Miami tonight. Into the city of Fort Lauderdale. And this beautiful balcony that we're on. Again, 2 lounge chairs. Lots of space. Two chairs and a table. Nice big table too. Sometimes you get out here on the patio or the balcony and you don't have a very big table. This is plenty big for 2 people to put their coffee and their iPad or computer and just sit here and enjoy or do whatever they want to. Take a look at it from over here. Again, lots of space here. Looking back in the room. So again, this is Grand Suite, room 8018, Vision of the Seas. We're taking out of Fort Lauderdale. It's a fabulous room.